January is always a quieter month for real estate, and this year was no exception. Add cold weather and steady interest rates, and what we're seeing across Kingston Area is a market that's slower but also more balanced and thoughtful. Today, I'll walk you through what's happening region wide and then break it down community by community so that you can understand what this means if you're buying, selling, or planning a move this year. Overall, sales were down compared to last January, which is typical for winter. Prices remain fairly stable, and homes are generally selling close to asking, just with a little less urgency than we've seen in recent years. This is a market where strategy really matters. In Kingston, activity eased slightly year over year, prices came down modestly, and homes are taking longer to sell. Fewer properties sold above asking, and buyers are clearly taking their time. For sellers, realistic pricing is key. For buyers, this means there's more room to negotiate and fewer pressure situations. Loyalist was a bright spot. Even with fewer sales, prices increased and homes moved more efficiently than last winter, particularly in Odessa. This area continues to attract buyers looking for value and lifestyle just outside the city. Napanee saw steady activity with homes selling more quickly when priced right. While average prices dipped, the market showed better alignment between asking and selling prices. Good pricing is definitely being rewarded here. South Frontenac had fewer sales, but prices held up, especially for well-positioned properties. Homes took longer to sell, and buyers had more negotiating power. Local context really matters in this market. Stone Mills had very limited sales, making trends harder to read, though one home still sold above asking price. Gananoque actually had no sales in January, while inventory continued to build. This is something we'll be watching closely heading into the spring market. What January tells us is this: the market isn't rushing, but it's not stalling either. Buyers have more choice, sellers need a smart plan, and local insight makes all the difference. If you're trying to figure out what these trends mean for your home or your next move in Kingston and the area, we're always happy to talk it through.